Good morning. Today is Monday, June 9th, 2025. I am here at Drollington Creek Pier 3. We had some concerns about the condition of the boat. It was cleaned about a week ago. So I'm going to go ahead and do a swim through, see how our diver did. If there's any major concerns that I have, I will definitely note them in this video. If there are spots that do need a little extra cleaning, I will make an after video. So there is some growth on it. I am going to touch it up a little bit. But I did notice that there's a lot of spots where the paint has either been rubbed off or you're getting near to the gel coat that is underneath the ablative. And that's one reason why we're getting a lot of growth so quickly. So I'm going to try and get as much of this growth off and get another after video for you. So stay tuned.